What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about two more subjects again, every day, every other day. Today the subjects are going to be grammar and biology. So we'll kick things off with grammar first. So in grammar today we're going to be talking about pronouns. There's a couple different types of pronouns we'll be talking about. So the first pronoun we're going to be talking about just a normal, pronoun. A pronoun, the definition for a pronoun is a word that stands for another word. Like, some examples of pronouns are he, her, and it. And those pronouns stand for, say, a name. Like, you can say, Janet stubbed her toe. Janet stubbed her toe. It really hurt. So, you don't, whenever you say something like, whenever you say Janet stubbed her toe, after you say that, you don't want to use that name again. So you're not going to say Janet really hurt. You say it really hurt, because it hurt Janet. So, a pronoun is, again, another word that is a word that stands for another word. So, he, her, and it. It, in this case, is the pronoun because it stands for Janet, because Janet stubbed her toe, and it hurts Janet. The next pronoun we're going to be talking about is a personal pronoun, and a personal pronoun is me, you, or things that do not involve me or you. So, in that case, it could be first, second, and third person. So I have different, singular and plural for first, second, and third person. So, me, first person singular, is going to be I, me, my, and mine. Those are some personal pronouns you would use. Me for plural, like I'm talking about us, like we as a group, so is going to be we, us, our, and ours. And that's first person. Second person for you, like you is going to be you, your, and yours. That's for singular. And for plural, it's going to be you, your, and yours. Again. So, third person, which is someone, something, someone, or something else. You're going to say she, her, hers, he, him, his, it is. There's a lot of them. And for singular, for plural, you would say they, them, their, and theirs, because it is their stuff. There's this, there's that. Last one we'll briefly discuss is a possessive pronoun. So a possessive pronoun is basically a pronoun that shows possession of something. So you talk about yourself, like I or mine. It's mine, my, his, hers, yours, your, their, theirs. There's a bunch of different types of possessive pronouns. But that is all of grammar. Oh, I still need that notebook. That's all grammar, so next we're going to talk about biology. So, in biology, we'll be talking about water. And water is probably the most essential part of life. Life is very dependent on water, so think about it whenever NASA or all these different scientists look for, life on a planet or life in an organism. They look for water. The human body itself is made of it's 60 to 70% water. We're made of mostly water. So, if you can't tell, we're very dependent on water. And, water is determined with 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. One oxygen atom and 2 hydrogen atoms. That's where we get the H2O. 1 hydrogen atom, 2 oxygen atoms. 1 H2O. These oxygen atoms bond to the 1 hydrogen atom, so what it would look like, here I'll draw a little picture for you, so you have your 1 oxygen atom, and then your 2 hydrogen atoms, O, H, H. Okay, so that's what your water atom would look like. You have your 1 oxygen atom and your 2 hydrogen atoms. These little bumps on the side, I'll get to that in a second. But what those are electrons. So A hydrogen atom is actually electronegative, which electronegative means that it hogs all the electrons. It hogs all the electrons from its other bonds. So the hydrogen atom hogs all the electrons away from the hydrogen atoms and the other hydrogen atoms. There's only hydrogen atoms on a water atom. So your hydrogen atoms will be lacking any type of electrons, but your oxygen atom will be loaded with electrons because it is electronegative, which means that it hogs all of your electrons. So, but that is pretty much the end of this video. Like I said, water, we're very dependent on water. We drink water, stay hydrated. We have to have water to live. A water molecule is made of 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 oxygen atom. Those hydrogen atoms bond to your 1 oxygen atom. Your oxygen atom has electrons in it, while your hydrogen atom does not. Your hydrogen atoms do not, because your oxygen atom is electronegative. Us humans are made of 60 to 70% water. We are made of mostly water. And when we search for life on a planet or in an organism, we look for signs of water, because water is a big indication of life. So, thank you so much for watching. Tune in next time on Monday for another video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.